Hello and welcome back to my channel, Piadxplorer. Today we will be exploring top waterfalls of the monsoon season. So monsoon season is my favorite. The feeling of holding a cup of hot chocolate with a good book to read. After all, isn't that an ideal way to enjoy rainy days? Some people get wet, but I feel the rain. They say anyone who says sunshine brings happiness has never danced in the rain. I find peace when it thunders and the sweet sound of rain on a dark night. Isn't that true for you all too? Today we will take you on a scenic journey, showing you top waterfalls of Maharashtra. So stick around, and before we begin, let me inform you to stay safe and plan your travel by checking the local status of the region if you are not allowed to enter. The main reason to come up with this episode is to show you the beauty of Maharashtra by watching
happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
Devkund Waterfall located near Bhira village, and mind you, it is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in all of India. Devkund Waterfall is a mostly unknown and unexplored waterfall in Maharashtra. Kunda Mala Waterfalls. Kunda Mala literally means string of ponds. Kunda Mala is still a relatively unknown paradise. It has numerous ponds around the entire stretch, which get filled during the rains. Hidden in the interiors of Talegaon, This place is ideal for a Saturday afternoon in heavy rains. Take a dip or just sit along the water, gushing through the rocky terrain. Kunda Mala is around 10 kilometers from Dehu. Cadbury India factory at Induri in Talegaon is one of the landmarks. Kunda Mala is a small village or a hamlet in Mawal Taluka in Pune district of Maharashtra state, India. Kunda Mala is a beautiful waterfall that originated from the river Indrayani. It is not much in height, but it is quite broad. If you want a short break and take a weekend off and want to get refreshed, you can visit here and enjoy the charm and peace of the location, away from the city's crowd, noise and pollution. This location is amazingly beautiful and peaceful. Monsoon is the best time to be here, and if the weather is clear, do watch the soothing sunset. Nanemachi Waterfall. Nanemachi is located near Madhe Ghat. It is an untouched area. The road is quite rough, but it's worth to see such an amazing place in monsoon. It is also known as Aicha Bandh. The road from Velhe to Madhe is mostly rough but motorable. The views on both sides of the road is amazing and will not allow to feel the adversities of rough rides. Parking is available at the entrance. Vehicles are not allowed till the end, and visitors need to walk for 15 to 20 minutes to reach the viewpoint. Food options are limited after Velhe. Hence, I just suggest stop for lunch on the way back. You can enjoy the great view of Torna while nibbling on rotis and sipping hot tea. Makeshift stalls near the waterfall sell snacks which are reasonably priced. Overnight stay. You can also plan for a night stay there on the top of a plateau, a few kilometers before the waterfall. There are a few resorts which you can look at depending upon your budget. Tips. To view the waterfall, there are 2 viewpoints towards the right of the stream. There are no safety railings, so be careful while enjoying. And most importantly, please don't litter and spoil the place. That's it for today. Zoom in next time for more fun facts. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a thumbs up, share my videos and comment down below which was your favorite waterfall which you would like to visit as soon as possible.